I gained 10,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel in just 10 days. And yes, with the help of AI, I set a 10-day challenge for myself on this channel where I decided to upload only one YouTube short every single day. Just one. Now don't get too surprised yet, because coming up, I'll show you the exact video that I uploaded, and I'll also explain how I made that video, where the idea came from, and how I used AI. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, because you're about to see something that you've probably never seen before. Now let's talk about the results of this challenge. On day 1, when I uploaded the video, the views looked something like this. On day 2, the performance looked like this. And on day 3, the video showed similar growth as well. Continuing with the same momentum, my 10-day challenge was successfully completed, and when we reached day 11, this was the condition of the channel. Now comes the most important part. Let me show you the exact video I created and walk you through the entire process, what type of videos I made, and why those videos went viral. In ancient Egypt, death was only the beginning. Priests would open your body and remove all your organs. Every memory of life was erased except the heart. It was preserved because they believed it would guide your soul in the afterlife. The rest of the organs were stored in sacred jars. Then came the brutal process. Your body was buried under mountains of salt for 40 days. Moisture was removed until you became nothing but a dry, hollow shell. Once fully dried, the body was wrapped in countless layers of linen and sealed with shining resin so you could remain preserved forever. This was how a human became a mummy. Making videos like this is extremely difficult, but today, your brother will teach you a shortcut to create videos like this, step by step. Before that, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for your knowledge and to support me. And don't forget to like this video if you learned something new from it. To make videos like this, you need interesting ideas. There are 2 powerful methods. The first method, go to the video description. Your brother has worked hard for you again today. I've created a complete prompt for you that gives historical story ideas. You can use this prompt completely free. Copy it from the description. Open ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Grok, any tool you like. Paste the prompt and press enter. Look at this. Complete ideas start generating. You now have 10 ideas. These are historical ideas. You can select any one of them and write a complete 1-minute script. You also need visualizations, images. For that, I've created another complete prompt. Go to the description and open the second prompt, called Prompt for Script and Images. This prompt has 2 parts. The first generates the script. Paste your idea there. The second half generates image prompts. Copy this full prompt, open ChatGPT again and paste it. Insert your story title where shown. Copy any heading from those 10 ideas and paste it there. Press enter. Now look, your complete, highly engaging 1-minute script is ready. Below that, you get a full scene breakdown. 3D image prompts starting with a hook. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, 6 to 7 scenes with 3D prompts. Your narration script is ready on top. Now we have the script and the 3D image prompts. Next, we generate images. Copy the first image prompt. Go to Google and search Image FX. Open Google Labs' first website. If on mobile, enable desktop mode. Paste the image prompt. Select 9:16 ratio for shorts. Click Create. 4 images generate. Look at the results. Exactly what we needed. High quality, free, identical to the style that creator uses. Once images are downloaded, generate voiceover. If you want English, just use the script directly. Copy the converted script. Go to Google AI Studio, an amazing free voiceover tool. Paste your text, select any voice, and click Run. VoiceOver starts generating. You can also use 11 Labs. You get 10,000 free credits monthly. More than enough for shorts. Now convert images into videos for free. Go to gokay.com where you can create 20 to 25 videos daily for free. Click the Imagine button. First, change one setting. Click Profile, Settings, Behavior. Turn off the last option, then click the plus button. Upload your image. Now enter a prompt. There are 2 short prompts. First prompt. Camera glides forward toward the subject, building tension. Click play. Video generates. Look at the result. Perfect camera movement and tension. Second prompt. Camera circles around the character, revealing the full environment. Click play. Video generates. The camera circles exactly as instructed. Amazing results. Use these 2 prompts to convert all images into videos. Once all videos are ready, editing starts. Import everything into any editor. First, zoom into the voiceover and delete silent parts. Add transitions between clips. Add the old film effect, very important for documentary-style videos. Adjust intensity. Add background music from YouTube Audio Library. Lower its volume. Finally, click Export and download in the highest resolution. This was the fastest shortcut to make such videos. If you start today and stay consistent, inshallah you can also get millions of views and strong earnings. But consistency is mandatory. If you liked this video, make sure to like and share it with friends.